Let's get started with the exercise, children. So we have some sums over here. So using the properties, previously people have learnt about the various types of properties. Okay. So those properties we are going to apply over here and solve these sums. Okay. So what is the heading that is given? This is exercise 1 from chapter 1. Okay. So now here the heading is you have to identify, these are the sums that are given. Looking at these sums, you have to identify which property do these rational numbers satisfy. So all these are rational numbers. Why are they called as rational numbers? Because they are in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Because of this reason these are called as what? Rational numbers. This reason, if this is satisfied, then they are called as rational numbers, right? So here you have a number 8 by 5 plus 0 is equals to 8 by 5, which is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. This in general, how do you write? This is any number which is in the form of P by Q. We can generalize or take it as A. A plus 0 is equals to what? A, which equal to 0 plus A. Or this you can write it as A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A is equals to A. So if you add any number to 0 or 0 is added to any number, you will get back the same number. So 0 is called as what? Additive identity. So this is the first one is what property does it satisfy? Does it make us recollect is additive identity. Next one, 2 of 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 of 3 by 5 plus 2 of 1 by 5. Now here this 2 is being multiplied with the two fractions that are there within the bracket. So 2 into 3 by 5 plus of 2 into 1 by 3. So you read this as into. This means it's a product. So this 2 over these two fractions. So this is what property? Distributive property over addition. What property does it satisfy? Distributive. So in general, how do you write this? A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus of A into C. Right? So this is a distributive property. Next, 3 by 7 into 1 by, into 1 is equals to 3 by 7 is equals to 1 into 3 by 7. Now here, this rational number is multiplied with 1 and 1 is multiplied with the rational number. So what is the result? Again we get back the same number. So what property does it satisfy? Yes, it satisfies multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, right? I wrote the short form of identity as ID, right? The next one, if you see, minus 2 by 5 into 1 is equals to minus 2 by 5 is equals to 1 into minus 2 by 5. This in general, how do you write? A into 1 is equals to 1 into A is equals to minus A. So what is this? So if you are taking a product, means multiplying some number with 1 and you are getting back the same number. So this comes under what? Multiplicative identity. This is called the same one. The same as the third one. The next one. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Now what do you recollect by this? Yes, let's generalize. This is in the form of A plus B. A plus B is equals to B plus A, which is nothing but associative property. Which is nothing but associative property. The next one, 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 is equals to 15 by 14. So this is what you are taking your this is a rational number. 5 by 2 is a rational number and 3 by 7 is also a rational number. That means you are multiplying two rational numbers and you are getting back the rational number. So this is a closure property under multiplication. Closure. If you multiply any two numbers, A into B is equals to C. If you multiply any two rational numbers, you will get back the rational number. Now coming to the next one, seventh one, 7a plus of minus 7a is equals to 0. So what do you recollect by this? Yes, here this is a positive number and this is a negative number. If you multiply these two plus into minus, you will get minus and it becomes 0. But what is the property that you get recollected? Additive inverse. The plus sign is there in the middle, so it is addition. And you have here plus 7a and you get here minus 7a. What is the additive inverse of a? Minus a. So this is additive inverse. Next one, x into 1 by x is equals to 1 where x not equal to 0. The same condition here for rational number where q not equal to 0. The same condition where x not equal to 0. So what is the property that is satisfied? Yes, multiplicative identity. What is the multiplicative inverse? What is the inverse of x? 1 by x. What is the inverse of 2? 1 by 2. What is the inverse of 3? 1 by 3. In the same way, the inverse of x is 1 by x. So x gets cancelled and you will be left over only with 1. So x into 1 by x is called as this. 1 by x is called as what? Multiplicative identity. Sorry, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay. Now the next one, 2 into x plus of 2 into 6 is equals to 2 into x plus 6. So what is the property that you have over here? It is a distributive property. What property? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. You can just write a distributive property. You can take down these and we'll discuss with the next ones. I hope you have completed. Now let's come to the next one. Write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. So you have to write the additive and multiplicative inverse. Now what is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 5? Plus 3 by 5. For additive inverse of minus 3 by 5 is plus 3 by 5. And what is the multiplicative inverse? What will be the multiplicative inverse? Minus 5 by 3. Next, 1. What is the additive inverse of 1? Minus 1. What is the multiplicative inverse? It is 1 because you have to get back the same number. Now this you have 0 over here. Does 0 have any inverse or multiplicative or additive inverse? No. So it does not exist. Now for 7 by 9. What is the additive inverse of 7 by 9? Minus 7 by 9. And multiplicative inverse is 9 by 7. Now here for 1, what is the additive inverse? 1. And what is the multiplicative inverse? Minus 1. Right? Is this clear? Now just take down. We'll continue with the remaining ones. Now we have here fill in the blanks. So here you should write does not exist. BOES does not exist. Means there won't be any additive inverse or multiplicative inverse for 0. Now fill in the blank. There is some number missing over here. That number you have to fill in over here. Now minus 1 by 17 plus of some number is equals to minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. So here you have 1 by 17 and here you have 1 by 17. So this is in the form of what? A plus B is equals to B plus A. So what is missing over here? A plus B is equals to B plus A, isn't it? So here we have our A and this is B and this is A. So A is minus 1 by 17 minus 1 by 17. B is minus 12 by 5. So the number that is missing over here is minus 12 by 5. Now the next one. Minus 2 by 3 plus of some number is equals to minus 2 by 3. So if you, this is a rational number. So to this rational number, if you add some number, you should get back the same number. So what number can we add? So here if you see, if for a rational number, if you add 0, you will get back the same number. So this is additive inverse. Here also the same one. So you have to put a 0 over here. So 0 is the additive inverse. So that we will get back the same number. Now come to the third one. 1 into some number is equals to 9 by 11. You have to multiply 1 with some number so that you will be getting the number as 9 by 11. So what should be here? 9 by 11 itself, because we have to get the same number. 1 multiplied with any number, we will get back the same number. So the reason is the number that is missing over here is 9 by 11. So multiplicative, yes, identity. 1 is a multiplicative identity. That's the reason we are getting back the same number. Now come to this one. Minus 12 plus of 5 by 6 plus of 6 by 7 is equals to minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus of. So you have over here plus of. So what do you write in the blank? So plus of minus 12 plus, because we have a plus sign over here, and in the middle also we have a plus sign. So minus 12 plus of 6 by 7. So in the blank you are going to write this one. It's a distributive log addition. Yes. Next, some number is missing over here. So that number, if you multiply with 1 by 2, and this same number you are going to multiply with 1 by 3 also. So 1 is given for us. Let's see. 1 by 2 we have over here. Some of the number is missing. And here we have 3 by 4 and here also we have 3 by 4. So that tells us what? The number that you have to multiply. The rational number that you have to multiply over here is 3 by 4. If 3 by 4 is multiplied with 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 2. If 3 by 4 is multiplied with 1 by 3, you will be getting 1 by 3. So the number that is missing over here is 1 by 3. The number that is missing over here is 3 by 4. The next one, minus 16 by 7 plus of some number is equals to minus 16 by 7. That means you should want to get the same rational number. So to get the same rational number, what we have to do? We have to use additive identity, that is 0 over here. So you will get back the same number. I hope it is clear till here. Take down all these. I hope you people would have taken. Now let's continue with this. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Now here what is being said? Multiply 2 by 11. That means you have to multiply 2 by 11 by what? By the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. What is a reciprocal? Means the numerator should become the denominator, denominator should become the numerator. That is what is called reciprocal. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is 14 by minus 5. Now you have to multiply these two. 2 by 11 into 14 by minus 5. So what do you get? Numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator, right? Is there any chance to cancel numerator, denominator, numerator and denominator? No possibility. So what do you have to do? You have to take a product of the numerators and denominators. So 2 into 14 by 11 into minus 5. So 14 twos are 28, 11 fives are 55. 28 by 55. So when you multiply a rational number with the reciprocal of some other rational number, you will get back the rational number. So what property is this? Very good. Closure property. Right. A into B is equals to C, which is nothing but closure property. The fifth sum is missed out over here, children. We'll do it after we complete this one. Sixth one. Right there. 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2 plus of minus 3 by 2 is our LHS, left hand side. And what is this? This is our right hand side. This is LHS and this is our RHS. Now what we'll do is, he is asking us to verify whether our left hand side is equals to our right hand side. So what we'll do is, first we'll solve our left hand side and then we'll solve the right hand side and check it out whether they both are same or not. Now if you have fractions and if you have a denominators, fraction obviously they have a denominators, right? So if rational numbers, they have a denominator, so what you have to do, you have to take an LCM to solve them. So 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If you take an LCM, what you will get? You will get 4 as an LCM. You can check it out. 4 comma 2, 2 1 z, 2 2 z, 2 1 z and 2 1 z. So 2 2 z 4 is our LCM. Least common multiple is 2 into 2, which is nothing but 4. So 4 is our LCM. Now 5 into 1 plus of minus 1 into 2. So 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2. So plus into minus, minus. Minus 2 by 4. Okay. Minus 2 you will get, plus into minus is minus 2. So if you get confused, let me solve this and then we'll go. Plus of minus 2 by 4. So plus into minus is minus. 5 minus 2 by 4 is how much? 3 by 4. So our LHS is 3 by 4. Now let's see our RHS. Since place is not sufficient over here, I am doing RHS over here. Right hand side. What do we have towards our right hand side? 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2 plus of minus 3 by 2. So how we have done the left hand side? The same way we are going to do the right hand side. First we will solve the fractions that are there, rational numbers that are there within the brackets, and then we will add it to the one which is out of the bracket. So 5 by 4 plus of, if you take an LCM, denominators are same, so you will get the LCM as 2 as it is. So minus 1 plus of minus 3, you will get it here 1, here also it's 1. So 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 plus into minus, minus 3 by 2. So what do you get over here? 5 by 4 plus of minus, both are negative signs, so what do? You add minus 4 by 2. Now we are not going to solve here. What we'll do is we'll take an LCM. So remove the bracket and take an LCM. So what you will get? You will get it as 5 by 4 plus of minus 4 by 2. So what's the LCM? 4 is our LCM. So 5, right, plus of minus 4 into 2. Here 5 into 1. So what do you get over here? 1 minus, plus into minus, minus. 4 2 is 8. 8 by minus 5 minus 8 by 4. So what do you get? If you subtract from 5, can we subtract 8? No, it's not possible. So what you will do, from 8 you will subtract 5 and you write down the negative number. Minus 3 by 4. So here our right hand side we got minus 3 by 4. Left hand side we got 3 by 4. So is 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4? Is it possible? No. A positive number cannot be equal to a negative number, though they numerator and though they are fractions, so the rational numbers. I hope this is clear. Take down this. We will go to the next sum. Now let's solve this fifth one, children, as this is being missed. Which property can be used in computing 2 by 5 into 5 plus of 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3. So now let's see what is the property that can be used. So what property can be used? Yeah, associative property under multiplication can be used. So 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. So what is the property that we have used over here? Associative property. What property? Write up. Associative property. Right? Now, coming to the next one. So here what we can do, we can cancel the numerators and denominators, right? So what do we take this as? Multiplicative, yes, multiplicative inverse. We can, by using multiplicative inverse, what can be done? We can simplify the numerator and denominator. 5 1 0, 5 1 0 into 7 by 6. Here also 1 by 3 into 3 gets cancelled into 4 by 11. So what is the property that is being used over here? Multiplicative identity. Sorry, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. I-N-V-E-R-S-E. The multiplicative inverse. Now, what is left over now? 2 into 7 by 6 plus of 1 into 4 by 11. Now multiply, we don't have any number to the denominator, so you can just put it as 1. Multiply numerators, numerators, denominators, denominators. So here what is the property that is applicable? Multiplicative identity. Because here we are getting back the same number. That is the reason. 7 2s are 14, 1 6 are 6 plus 1 4s are 4, 1 11s are 11. Now take LCM, you will get 66 as LCM. Now 6 how many times? 11 times. 11 4s are 128 plus 11 how many times? 6 times. 6 4s are 24. So you will get this as 152. 152 by 66. So what is the property that it satisfies? Yeah, closure. Closure under addition. I hope this is clear. Now let's get back to the next problem. 7th one, 6th one is already being done. Now evaluate 3 by 5 plus of 7 by 3 plus of minus 2 by 5 plus of minus 2 by 3. Now what we will do is we will rearrange the numbers. What we will do? Let's write down. Okay, let's use the other pen. It is not giving the impression. Now 3 by 5 plus of same denominators will get the numbers which have same denominators together. Minus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus of minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now remove the bracket. What we can do, we can add these two numbers because the denominators are same. So 3 plus of minus 2 plus of here denominators are same, we add the numerators. 3, 7 plus of minus 2. So what you will get, plus into minus, minus 3 minus 2 by 5 plus 7 plus into minus, minus 2 by 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 by 5 plus 7 minus 2, 5. 5 by 3. What do we get over here? 15 as an LCM. Right? Now 3 plus 25. 3 plus 25 is 28 by 15. This is what is your required solution for the problem. I hope this is clear. Yeah, take down children. So let's see the 8th one, children. Here we have 3 sums. Okay, so I'm going to show these to you all. I'm solving each and every problem for you people. Whenever you are doing a practice session, you have to add some more numbers of your own and practice. Then only you will be, if you understand the concept, it will be very easy for you people. Now let's see the first one. What is the first one? You have to subtract. So subtract what? This is the first one. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. That means from 1 by 3 you have to subtract 3 by 4. So how do you write it? 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. So you can't just subtract like this. Both are different denominators. First you have to make the denominators to be the same. So to make the denominators to be the same, what you will do? Either you can take the LCM or you can multiply the numerator and denominator, and numerator and denominator here. Here you can multiply with 1 by 4 and here you can multiply with 1 by 3. So let's take the LCM instead of that. So what is our LCM? Between 3, and 4, if you take an LCM, 3 ones are 3, 4 is left over, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 2 into 3, which is nothing but 12. So 4 3s are is 12 for us. Now 3 how many times will give us 12? 3 4 times will give us 12. So 1 into 4 minus 4 how many times will give us 12? 3 times. So minus 3 into 3. Now 1 4s are 4 minus 3 3s are 9 by 12. So what do you get from 4? Can we subtract 9? Is it possible? 4 is a smaller number and 9 is a bigger number. So what you do? From 9 you have to subtract 4. So what you will get? You will get 5 because 9 is a bigger number. It has a negative sign. You will get here minus 5 by 12. Now let's the same process. You have to do the remaining 2 sums also the same process. Let me show you the third one. Second one you can do by yourself. So subtract minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So this is a rational number and this is a integer. Minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7. So what do you get? Minus 4 by 7 minus of minus plus 7, no denominator. So you can write 1 as a denominator. Now 1 7s are 7. Obviously you will get 7 as a LCM. Now minus 4 into 1 plus of 7 into 1. 1 4s are 4. 1 7s are 7 by 7. So what you will get? Minus 4 plus 7. So you will get this as 3 by 7. I hope this is clear. Now the second one, subtract minus 32 from 2. So from 2 you have to subtract minus 32 by 13. So is it possible? No, because this doesn't have a denominator. So take a denominator as 1. 1 3s are 13. So 2 into 13 plus 32 into 1, which is equals to 12 3s are, 13 2s are 26. 32 1s are 32 by 13. Sum up. That means add these numbers. So what do you get? 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 58 by 13. I hope these are clear. You can try some of the rational numbers and do it by yourself. Now, the remaining sums will continue in the next class.